Oh God. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with 3 of my 10th scale Arrma trucks. It's a heat wave today in New Milford. It's up to 36 degrees, so I figured I might as well get out here and do a little bashing around. Taking my lighter stuff, so hopefully I don't break anything. There's actually, oh, the 2 cops are leaving, which is kind of nice. So I should have free reign of the parking lot here, and you know, I brought my ramps with me, so I'll either use those for a little bit and then hit that jump over there, or we'll see. I'm gonna play it by ear, so let's do it. I'll run the old Senton first, since I never run this truck. I am running a Mamba X ESC with the BLX 100 motor. This has the Basher Sabertooth shocks on it. That I got off of, I got them from Hobby King actually, and you know, this was a Mega at one point that I just upgraded into a brushless version, so don't run it often, but today I decided why not. Ain't going anywhere in this. Come on. See if I can do a backflip. I ain't feeling it, but no, not on that. You need to get some good launch angle here. That didn't break something. I got it. That was good. Yeah, it takes everything you got to get it around. Yeah, I'm also using one of those Electron Pro batteries. I have the graphene, which are definitely got more punch to them, so that might help get this thing completely around. Oh God. And that was a disaster. Oh man, turnbuckle? 2 turnbuckles. An arm. Got plenty of them at home. It's the dangers of these, you know, natural ramps, so to say. Sometimes they come off at weird angles. And I knew that was going right into the rock while it was in the air. My backup truck is my Granite. This was only coming out in case of an unfinished battery. This is running the Hobby Wing Max 10 SCT edition. It's got a Hobby Wing motor, same 3200 kV as the BLX 100. And then it's got like every upgrade imaginable in terms of, it's got the metal, hot racing metal drive shafts, steering rack, pivot balls. It's got Typhon 6S shocks on it. This is my little beast. Hashtag ugly. Oh, that broke. Oh man, that's the hot racing part too. Oh well, I will be talking to them. I will be talking to them. Granted, it was ugly, but that shouldn't have happened. Shout out to Megastay from the Arrma forums, who said that the hot racing arms drive shafts, I mean, suck. That's a bummer. These things were like 100 and I don't know, 20 bucks for the pair. Frustrating. Into the pile of busted stuff. Well, let's see if we can not ball this up. Oh man, that's upsetting. And there goes an arm. Man, that shouldn't break like that. I have more of these at home, so, and I didn't bring any with me. Well, that was fun while it lasted. If I brought 4 trucks, I would have had 4 broken trucks. All right, guys, so here's the damage. Senton flew it, jumped it right into a rock. So that's on me, and it's not a big deal. I have all the parts for that. Granite is a big deal because it broke one of the hot racing metal wheel drive shafts, which were a ton of friggin' money. And I will be talking to them when I get home, because that's bull. No way for that kind of money should that break like that. I mean, granted, I botched the landing, but I mean, that's the whole reason why I got them, you know. I mean, give me a break. And my big rock, it just, you know, that rear arm just gave way. So I have a bunch of these at home. So when I'm done with those, I'm gonna go RPM for sure, because that's ridiculous. I mean, give me a break. Shouldn't bust like that. So anyway, it was fun while it lasted. Definitely much shorter than I anticipated, but as always, this is part of the hobby and I love it. So you know, time to clean them off and work on them. So I will see you guys next time. Peace.